Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We are starting new topic over here, strings. Here we'll just do some introduction to strings. Somewhere in first chapter of C programming, we have already done introduction to strings. String is defined as a collection of multiple characters enclosed in inverted commas, that is double quotation symbol. The characters themselves can be alphabets, digits, spaces, symbols, or any other characters. So it's just a collection of any kind of characters put together. String don't have any numeric value. It is simply collection of characters. It has no other meaning, no other value. For example, you put A, B, C, D, 4 characters into double quotes, that is a string. Some message hello written in double quotes, that is a string. Some numbers 3, 5, 7.5 written in double quotes, again a string. We have written 2 words with some characters as alphabets, some digit, some space together, that is also a string. So string is just a collection of multiple characters enclosed in double quote symbols, that is inverted commas. Strings don't have any numeric value. For example, here this is a string of characters. It is not 357.5, it is just collection of 5 different symbols, 3, 5, 7, decimal point and 5. No numeric value, no other interpretation, just collection of characters. Now when this string will be stored in computer, how it will be stored? Each character of a string will occupy one character space, that is 1 byte of memory. So it will be A, B, C, D, and at the end of every string there is one special character added by C itself, that is called as a null character. That is always at the end of every string. It is \0 a character, like we have \n as a new line character or \t as a tab character. We have \0 as a null character, that is no data, no output, no character, but it has a ASCII code, that is 0. We have just now seen example of how string is stored in computer. It is a collection of characters ending with special symbol, a null character, that is \0. Same way even hello or other strings will be stored in computer like this. So hello will be stored as HELLO with null character at the end. Then this string will be stored as 357.5 null character at the end. Again this will be stored as A, B, space character, then 5, 6 characters and then null character. Now where we'll use strings? Till now we have done most of the programs which work with int or float values, that is numeric values. Strings will be used to input name of a student or address of a student, password, email ID. For inputting text data, we can use strings in our program. Now we can see one more thing, that string is a collection of characters. So if we look at this string carefully, it reminds you of a one-dimensional array. Yes, string is a 1D array. You can see over here, it's a collection of multiple characters, and array is defined as array is a collection of multiple variables of same type. String is a collection of all characters, so it's a collection of same kind of variables. So we can say it's a character array since it's a collection of characters. So string and character arrays are same in case of C, or to work with string we have to utilize character array. See, for example, I can make a char array, let's say A, of some size 7 and equal to, I can assign it some string, let's say A, B, C, D. Now in this case an array of 7 characters will be created with A0 to A6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So A is an array created, and in that string will be stored automatically by C as A into A0, then B, then C, then D, and null character will be added at the end. So that is how we can store a string in an array. Now when you work with a string, that null character we are not supposed to add anywhere. We have to just write a string in double quotes. But when we input or output a string, that time we don't even consider double quotes also. When you have to just write a string as a value in your program, we need to write double quotes. But while inputting data as a string or outputting data as a string, double quotes is not there. Thank you.